morning everyone. This is Indermeet Singh and I am a student of BTech final year in Hindustan College of Science and Technology, Faray Mathura. I gave the GATE Biotechnology exam this year and I have secured All India rank 1 in Biotechnology exam and All India rank 19th in the Life Sciences exam. So to be honest, I started my preparation in the start of second year and I was not much sure about how to proceed further. So I discussed with my teachers in the college and they motivated me to read the reference books. So as during the second year, my preparation was focused to reading only the reference books for the knowledge aspect. I was not much focusing on the GATE only. So as the time progressed and I continued my preparation and it was going a bit wayward. So after that, during the third year, when I realized that I have only an year left, then I started reading the particular topics which are specific to GATE. So then as you all know, then the lockdown was imposed and during the lockdown, I started reading specifically for GATE only. In the lockdown, I read all the reference books, various reference books of all the subjects pertaining to biotechnology, and after that I tried to solve the previous year questions of each and every topic that I read. Solving the previous year questions was the key to success for me because the concepts do repeat in the GATE exam. After reading all the books, then I took a couple of test series which also helped me to understand what is the pattern of the exam and how to proceed towards it. I tried to complete my syllabus of the GATE preparation till the June and the July month of 2020 if I am going to appear for 21. So after that I had plenty of time to do the practice of each and every topic thoroughly and I revised each and every topic at least 4 to 5 times. I also joined the various test series which helped me along my path to achieve the AIR1. As the exam approached, during the last couple of months I was devoting around 10 to 12 hours every day to the study. Along with this, I used to do some exercise in order to maintain the mental status because giving so much study time wasn't a cup of tea for me. There must be a perfect cocktail of both the practice as well as the theory because reading the theory without doing any practice is of no need. There is no benefit from it if you read only the theory and do not practice the questions that have come from those particular topics. So what I tried to do is that I solved each and every previous year question at around 2 or 3 times at least to build my grasp and to understand what all concepts are asked in the exam and what is the pattern of the questions. This benefited me very much because in the final exam there were several questions that I encountered which were same as those of the which were same as compared to that of the previous year questions. I tried to stay consistent even if I am not doing anything on any particular day. If I am not wanting to study on any particular day, I still gave around a couple of hours every day to the study time. Apart from this, everyone faces this challenge during the BTech of attending the classes, facing the university exams and attending all the labs, etc. So what I tried to do is that in order to manage my time effectively, I went to the library during the lunch of every day and during the lunch period I stayed there and studied. And en route, my house is around an hour drive from the college, and during the convenience time when I was free, during that time I used to revise my concepts. Another important thing was to manage the college curriculum studies along with that of the GATE studies. So as we all know, there are various subjects in the GATE syllabus that coincide with our university syllabus. So what I tried to do is that I first studied all those topics which are common in both the university syllabus as well as the GATE syllabus. After I am done with those topics, now I have a grasp of the subject and I am prepared for the subject, whether it be the GATE exam or for the university exam. Remaining pertaining to the other topics which are not common, which are new subjects in the university exam which are not coming in the GATE exam, I used to read those subjects during the last couple of days before every college exam or the university exam. So this was my way of study, how to manage all the subjects effectively and score good marks in both university as well as in the GATE exam. The first hurdle for beginning any preparation is to choose which exam or to screen which exam we should give. So this hurdle I came across by, I overcome this by understanding, by reading about the various exams that are in India and then deciding the specific one which is made for my needs. So what I tried to screen is that how much of portion of the syllabus of the various different exams coincided with that of my university syllabus. I found GATE more appropriate because it is an comparatively easy exam as compared to that of the others, and because it focuses mostly on the concepts. So it checks your concepts, and as a result I chose this exam and I started preparing for it then. The credit to this success of mine goes to my parents at first, and then to the college teachers who helped me in every scenario and helped me in whatever way it was possible on their part. Apart from this, the college administration also helped me in the various aspects, and they were very supportive to me. Talking about the motivation sources or the inspiration sources, the biggest motivation were definitely my parents. My father is a businessman and my mother is a housewife, and I have seen them through my entire life that they go to the shop every day and toil around there. So they didn't skip any single day, so that was my source of motivation, that they are dedicated to do work every day even if they don't want to. My message to the new aspirants is that the hard work definitely pays off. So the first thing that you can do is to choose the exam specifically, choose your passion, that in whichever stream you are, what do you like the most in that particular stream, and then move accordingly. So the hard work is definitely the key to success, but it must be accompanied with the passion itself in order to pursue your career goals. Towards the last part of this, I would like to thank the entire HCST family, all the faculties of Department of Biotechnology and the entire administration of the Hindustan College. They had always supported me during my tough times, and I would like to thank them for this.